Cell range. Cell range is a group of continuous cells selected along with the active cell, forming a rectangular block of cells. The range can have few cells in it, whole row, column, or the whole sheet. You can perform various operations on the cell range contents like copying, moving, deleting, applying cell formattings, etc. Selecting or deselecting cells. The active cell is the selected cell. To select a cell, just click on it. To select a range of cells using a mouse, point your mouse pointer to the first cell of the range and drag the left mouse button until all the required cells are selected. To select a range of cells using keyboard, press the Shift key and move to the lower last cell of the range using arrow keys. To select a complete column, just click at the column header of that column. To select a complete row, just click at the row header of that row. To select the entire worksheet, click across the section of rows and column heading. Naming a range of cells. In Excel, we can name a range of cells. To name a range of cells, Step 1. Select a range of cells. Step 2. Right-click on the range of cells. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click on Define Name option. The New Name dialog box appears. Step 4. Write a name for the range of cells and click on OK button. The particular range will be named. Formulas. A formula in Excel is an expression made up of data value or the cell references of the cells containing data values along with the mathematical operations. Various arithmetical operators that are used in the formulas are operator, name, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, percentage. Look at the following worksheet. To find amount of a product. Step 1. Click in the cell E2 and type equal to sign. Step 2. Click the cell C2. The address C2 gets automatically typed after equal to as equal to C2. Step 3. Now enter the mathematical operator asterisk and then click the cell D2. Step 4. Click the Enter button on the formula bar. The result will appear in cell E2. In order to copy the formula to another cell C2, click the cell showing the formula result. The autofill handle will appear at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag it down till the last cell. The result appears in all the cells. Types of referencing. Cell referencing refers to a cell or a range of cells. We use cell reference in a formula. Cell addresses used in a formula or as the function argument can be referred in different ways depending on how do we want the value stored in those cells to be used for calculations. There are 3 types of cell referencing in Excel: relative referencing, absolute referencing, mixed referencing. Every cell has a name known as its address, which is made up of a column letter and a row number. For example, B3 is the cell at column B and row 3. To copy a formula, select the cell with the formula and drag the autofill handle to copy the formula to other cells. Relative referencing. The cell reference in this type is a normal cell address. For example, E2 is a relative reference. When we copy a formula with relative reference, the address of the cells in the formulas change automatically. It is very useful in the situations where a similar formula is required to be entered in the consecutive cells for similar calculations with relatively different cell range. Absolute referencing. Sometimes you do not want to change the reference of a cell in a formula, even if its position is changed in the worksheet. Such type of cells are required to be referred absolutely in the formula. An absolute reference has a $ along with the column letter and the row number of the cell address. For example, $E$2 is an absolute reference. Using dollar means fixed to a specific location. When we copy a formula with absolute reference, the address of the cell remains unchanged. Mixed referencing. In this type of cell reference, only one part of the cell address, either column name or row number, remains absolute, while the other one relative. Example, $E2. In this address, the dollar sign is used only with row number, but not with column name. If this type of reference is used in a formula, then while copying the formula, cell reference changes only row-wise or column-wise, which is relatively referred, whereas it remains the same when it is copied towards the part which is absolute. Functions. Functions are predefined formulas used to perform some particular operation quickly. A function must always begin with an equal to sign. A function has two parts, function name and arguments. The arguments are normally given within simple brackets. Let's study some common functions used in Excel. Sum. It is used to add all the numbers in the specified range of cells. Example, equal to sum A1 is to A5. Average. It is used to calculate the average of the numbers in the specified range of cells. Example, equal to average A1 is to A5. Count. It is used to count the number of cells in the specified range of cells that contain numeric value. Example, equal to count A1 is to A5. Max. It is used to find the largest value in a specified range of cells. Example, equal to max A1 is to A5. Min. It is used to find the smallest value in a specific range of cells. Example, equal to min A1 to A5. SQRT. It is used to find the square root of a value in a cell. Example, equal to SQRT 64. Today. It is used to display the current date. Example, equal to today, brackets. Using functions. Let us calculate the total amount using sum function. Step 1. Click in the cell where you want to insert the function. Step 2. Click on Insert Function on the Formulas tab. Or click the Insert Function button in the formula bar. The Insert Function dialog box will appear. Step 3. Select a function. Step 4. Click on OK button. Step 5. A function arguments dialog box is displayed. Enter range of cells in argument box number 1. Step 6. Click on OK button. The result will appear in the selected cell. Sorting data. Sorting means to arrange data either in ascending or descending order. To sort the data. Step 1. Select the cells. For example, A1 to F4. Step 2. Click on Data tab on the ribbon. Step 3. From the Sort and Filter group, click on Sort A to Z to sort in an ascending order, or Sort Z to A to sort in descending order. To sort the data based on several criteria. Step 1. Select the cells. For example, A1 to F4. Step 2. Click on Data tab on the ribbon. Step 3. From the Sort and Filter group, click on Sort. The Sort dialog box appears. Step 4. Select the option My Data has Headers to exclude the first row from the selection as the column headers should not be treated as row values for sorting. Step 5. Now, from Sort By option, choose the column on the basis of which you want to start. Step 6. Choose A to Z or Z to A from the Order option. Step 7. Click on OK button. The data will get rearranged. Filtering data. Filtering is a process to extract the records from the worksheet that fulfill certain conditions. It temporarily hides the rows that you do not want to see. To filter the records, Step 1. Select any cell in the range or select range of cells. Step 2. Click on Data tab. Step 3. Choose Filter in the Sort and Filter group. Filter drop buttons will appear to the right side of each field name in the column headers row. Step 4. Now to filter the records with same data values in a particular field, click on the Filter drop button of that field name. A list appears showing the values of that column. The option Select All is checked by default. Step 5. Uncheck the Select All option and check only those values whose related records you want to see. For example, choose value 89 in the Science field to see the record of students who scored 89 marks in Science. Step 6. Click on OK button to filter and see selected records. Custom filter. We can also use custom filter to extract the records in Excel that meet certain conditions. For example, to display the records where the marks in math are less than 91. Step 1. Select the range. Step 2. Choose Filter in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. Step 3. Click on Filter drop button next to the column on which you want to apply the condition. Step 4. From the drop list, select Number or Text filters and choose Custom Filter option from the sub-menu. The Custom Auto Filter dialog box will appear. Step 5. Click on the Condition drop button to choose required condition like equals, does not equal, is greater than, is less than, etc. Step 6. Enter the value with which the condition is to be tested in the box next to it. You can add another condition if needed by joining it with AND or OR option. Step 7. Now, click on OK button to get the filtered records. Removing filter. We can remove the filter and see all the records again. Step 1. Select any cell in the worksheet. Step 2. On the Data tab, click on Filter in Sort and Filter group. The filter drop buttons will disappear from the worksheet and the hidden records will be displayed again in the worksheet. Conditional formatting. This feature of Excel is used to format the cell values to a specific format if they follow certain condition. For example, if the total marks scored are above 450, they should appear in green color with bold effect. If the marks are between 300 to 449, they should appear in yellow color with bold effect. And if less than 200, they should appear in red color. To automatically format the values as per the set conditions. Step 1. Select the range of cells to which you want to apply the format. Step 2. Select Conditional Formatting in the Styles group of the Home tab. A menu appears with several options for specifying the criteria. Step 3. Select to highlight cell rules and then select the criteria you want to use, like greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring or duplicate values. A dialog box opens where you can specify the reference value. Step 4. Enter the values. For example, choose greater than and type 450. Step 5. Now click the drop-down arrow and select the desired formatting. Green fill with dark green text. Step 6. Click on OK button to close the dialog box. Step 7. To add the second condition, repeat the above steps. The values in the selected range will get formatted as per the set conditions. Adding a worksheet. A worksheet is a single spreadsheet. We can add many worksheets in a workbook. Click on New Sheet button from the Sheet tab. Renaming a worksheet. The default name of the worksheets are Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and so on, which can be renamed suitably as needed. These sheet names are displayed in the Sheet tab. Step 1. Double-click the sheet name in the Sheet tab, or right-click on the sheet name in the Sheet tab and choose the Rename option from the shortcut menu. Step 2. Enter new name and press Enter key. Deleting a worksheet. We can delete a worksheet if it is of no use to you. To delete a worksheet, Step 1. Right-click on the sheet that you want to delete. Step 2. Click on Delete option. Changing tab color. Step 1. Right-click on the Sheet tab over the worksheet whose tab color you want to change and choose Tab Color from the shortcut menu. Step 2. Choose the color you want to apply.